I also would like to give you a quick demonstration of how all of this might work at runtime. So I'm just resizing this to create a little bit more space. Well, first of all, when we create an undergraduate student object at runtime, which I will draw like a box right here, which is occupying some memory, and likewise we create a graduate student. This could be a different size box with different parameters. However, both of them will have one common part which corresponds to the student portion of memory allocation. And so the student portion will be present in both of these types of classes, and undergraduate and graduate. So let me just try my best to put a small box inside both of these, and that small box indicates the portion of memory which is included because the two of these classes derive from the student class. So this is an example of memory for these two. And now when the course section is created, which is another object in memory, it contains a student list, which is some sort of list class right here, which may keep references to the type of object student. And you can see that the student portion is present in both undergraduate and graduate. And so therefore, this is how it might work. So this actually may be a reference to this student portion of a graduate student. And in case of undergraduate student, we can have a reference over here that points to this portion of undergraduate student, which is also a student part. So this is how a runtime picture will look like when we run the system and we think about the student list over here, the fact that it is made up of the students, and the fact that we want to be able to include undergraduate and graduate students on such list. So that's just a quick demonstration of how physically in memory this is done.